Well, we started getting the west wing done today, me, myself, and I. Lifted those big couple 100-pound poles all by myself onto the cement pillars. Good times. My back hates me. But I wanted to show you guys really quick. This used to be the biggest one. But now, this right here, this big green one, it's getting pretty big. Yeah, that's going to be fun. I think that's the one I want to carve. And I got some sheeting done. It's got another 1.5 feet on the edge. Other than that, it's all sheeted. Got the treads for the stairs I got to build up on top of here, and they're going in the back right here. And these poles are just basically sitting there. The little cheaters I have to hold them up aren't even screwed to them. So they're perfect, just sitting right there. How lucky can a guy get?